Hello and welcome back to this follow-up video after you have learned the secrets of this card magic which are over here. In this section you may have learned the self-working card trick. So here it is self-working card trick. You may see self-working card trick, and then you may have learned out of the box. And so these two card tricks are like almost like if you know the secret, this works like a magic. Like if you demonstrate in front of anyone, you can even perform this magic in front of one to one, or you can perform this magic in front of like audience, but you can call some volunteer over here, and he or she can help you in this magic trick. This is a very simple trick, but what I want you actually, after you have learned this, what is my follow-up with you is that you should continuously rehearse the setups in the magic, because what happens that when you start learning many of the magic tricks, so what happens, you tend to forget these steps in this things, what you have to do, how you have to take that, what are the folds. So and in a small mistake may hamper with the thing. So though this is a very simple trick, but there are certain steps, so you should every day, like until you become master, that you can, like if somebody wakes up like in the middle of the night, you can just perform this trick. So you should practice such a way. So this trick requires a lot of understanding the steps, what you have to do, one after the other. Okay, right. So next comes the out of the box. Now out of the box is a beautiful magic. Now I remember when I used to learn magic, I was very young, and I think in one of my educational institutes magic show, I performed this out of the magic. It is such a simple trick. And you can even borrow somebody else's deck, and you can create a miracle in front of them, in front of eye, and people can check the box and everything, and suddenly they will say, oh wow, and this creates a superb. Now if you understand the secret, and if you know the secret of this, and if you, but it needs a little, still you have to be very you have to prepare your hands and all, because for magician the hands are very important. You should start making your hands more sensitive to things. You should practice all the movements with hands and all, because by the touch you should able to feel everything. So that's the purpose. So when you practice this out of the box trick, you should practice the sensitivity, and then it will work like a wonder. Okay, now the forces are very important thing in magic. So in mentalism, in card tricks, the force plays a very important thing. So I have introduced the force in this step by step learning magic step by step course itself, and this is a very beautiful force, and you can this also needs a little bit practice, but you create magical miracles using this particular force. And then there is something called as a flourishes in magic. So flourishes means one will able to produce a lot of things. Now, since this course is devised to give you to build your basic foundations, but still I have introduced something called as a card vanish and card appear, because if you learn this trick, you can use this technique with maybe small visiting cards or any other small elements, and you can still learn this thing. So this is a very important thing. These are all miraculous, like all of them are. This is a very, card vanish is a very visual vanish, and this out of the box and the slip force are amazing things, and I have performed many shows using this, and even stage shows I have performed, and it was amazing and absolutely thing. So I hope you are doing this. Whatever follow-up I have asked you to do for the above thing, you're practicing very well. Now we will move to the next video, follow-up video. After you are through with these videos, just whenever you're through with these videos, just come back to watch this video. I may have some instructions for you. Okay, see you in the next follow-up video of learning magic. Meanwhile, you can go log into the password and enjoy and watch this magic with matchsticks. See you. Thank you.